So in this session, we're gonna do installation of agent guards from marketplace. Basically, first command. We're gonna add the commands in the comments of the video. So basically, you add the marketplace. It's gonna grab the plugins from the GitHub, and then you have two options. The first option is to basically run plugin. And then you can select the marketplace, and then you select the agent guards, browse the plugin, you select it, and you install it. User scoop, and this be available only for your user, or you can do install for all collaborators on this repository, and whoever user uses repository, that will be enabled for them. Or you can select install for you in this repo only, then it will be available only for this repo. But if you do user scoop, which is the recommended one, it will protect all of your repos. So now it's been installed. Another way to install it is do plugin install and to run the install command. So that's two commands for the same installation. Now after you install it, you need to do the reload plugin, okay? And then you need to test it. So before you test it, you need to make sure you either export the API key that you generate from agent guards dashboard. You either export it like this, or you add it to the Claude setting JSON. Just add your key, okay? Don't forget to do that, because it will not recognize you and will not allow connection. So two ways to do it. Okay, either add it to your environment variables, like for example Linux. You can go to your bashrc in your home directory and export this key. All right, so next is we need to check if it was installed correctly. So we're gonna run, for example, a prompt check on it. So okay, and we see that it was installed correctly. So that's basically a quick way to install the agent guard via plugin. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next demo.